Hi guys, I'm Nanami, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my robot, so let's go. Why so slow for loading? Oh, let's make a pass. Brew. We on hero place now. So tall I like it. What a nice leg. Hero abs haha. Hero hands look like strong. What a nice Ford Mustang bumper. By the way, let's see Hero's head. One nice head and eyes. Nice arms. Let's see another arms. Nice car door. Another car door, it's cool too. Nice car roof. Nice tire. Let's see body. Anyways, bye guys. Don't forget subscribe. See you on another video.